Hello, this is Chris Roshan on 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'm unboxing the truly wireless Edifier TWS5 earbuds. They provide Qualcomm aptX technology and 8 hours of charge per earbud. So this is the left earbud, and we're going to give you a show all the way around. And then the part where you press it on the end, it's a solid state button. Okay, and we'll show you the right one. That's the gold connectors for powering them up. And there's the solid state button. So they pair to themselves, and then they pair to your device. And then this is the charging box. So there's the 3 LEDs right there. And then inside, you can see the connectors and how they fit in there. And then we'll show you the back part. Has a microUSB port for charging. And then further inside the box, you have the microUSB cable for charging the charging case, okay? And then it also comes with additional ear gels right there. Okay, so altogether that is the Edifier Total Wireless TWS5 wireless earbuds.